This weather report brought to you by Bunnings Warehouse, where lowest prices are just the beginning.
Good evening, weather watchers. Well, you may or may not have heard about the small tornado in Atherton this week, but this funnel cloud was observed also this week near Jambin in central Queensland. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, being so far inland, I think I'd class it also as a small tornado rather than a waterspout. I don't know whether it actually touched down or not, but this excellent photograph was taken by Bill and Julie White. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? So always associated with very unstable weather. And that's what we've had through the region for the last couple of weeks, haven't we? The best rain till 9 this morning, Mount Christian 107 millimetres, Carmilla 37, Mount Dukes 30, Bowen 17, that's down from 235 the previous evening, previous 24 hours. Mackay Airport 7 and Moranbah came in with 5. This typifies the values we expect over the next 3 or 4 days. Temperatures through the region, Clermont today 23 to 27. Quite a bit of drizzle and light rain through the area during the day. Good falls at Mount Christian till 3 o'clock, 35 millimetres. Deverell down there to the southwest, 20 millimetres. St Lawrence 12. Kokenzie came in with 10. Moranbah 2 millimetres and Clermont 1. Current conditions for Mackay, the temperature's 28, she's pretty muggy, as you would expect. The first satellite picture of Queensland. Watch this little bit of a blob here, we'll take a closer look at that shortly. But basically the rain is still falling about as far south as Gladstone as I speak. Taking a closer look at Queensland, this is 3 o'clock this afternoon. Good falls through northern Capricornia, Shoalwater Bay, up to 75 millimetres. See a little bit of a spiral pattern here. There is a weak tropical low, which is now spun up about 150 kilometres northeast of Townsville. But at this stage, the Bureau is not concerned about that feature. On to the chart, it's probably so weak it just shows a little bit of a dip in the isobars. But we do expect that low to weaken and track further north. But basically here, still very unstable, southeast to easterly winds and a good scattering of showers, even tending to rain at times, and that should see the weekend through. Central Coast Whitsunday's forecast, cloudy with areas of rain, possibility of thunderstorms. For Sunday, scattered showers and again the possibility of thunderstorms. Much the same for the Central Highlands and Coalfields, with the bulk of the rain there north of about Clermont, Moranbah. Let's have a look at the maritime observations at 3 o'clock. Hamilton Island east at 13 knots and Hay Point south at 12. I don't know when the Bureau is going to repair that AWS at Gannet Cay. Coastal waters unfavourable, southeast 20 to 25 knots. For Sunday, southeast 15 to 20. Top of the tide for the outer harbour in Mackay tomorrow, 1:46 in the afternoon. Sun up over the city tomorrow, Saturday, 5:56. And finally, the summary points, a wet weekend, nothing to compare with the last month or so, with southeast to east winds. Enjoy your weekend. Now it's back to Paul and Sam.
Thanks, Pete. Now it's over to old fish lips himself, Clinton Hassan. Good on you, Clinton. Thank you, mate.
Thank you. News headlines can be found on our website, wintv.com.au. See you 6:30 on Monday. Good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation from Win Television, Australia's largest commercial television network.